All right, guys, so today we're talking about the Shock Therapy Limit Strap Kit. You can see it here on my car. It's a very nice piece of machined aluminum. It's a threaded collar that goes on the top of the shock body. On the back side, it holds the clevis, an adjustable clevis. It has a throw of about 2 inches of adjustability on there, I would say. It comes with all the hardware. It comes with a quad strap, limit strap, and it bolts to the bottom of the A-arm through the shock bolt. It's pretty cool. They thought of everything. So they have the adjustable clevis. So when you start stretching your limit strap, which is a quad strap, by the way, and it's also tethered onto your spring so it's not flopping around, you can adjust it. It gives you, the end user, the ability to choke up your suspension, basically. These Can-Ams have a ton of travel on them, and what's known in the industry as the Can-Am clunk is your shock pulling itself apart at droop all the time, constantly trying to rip itself apart. What the strap does and the limit strap kit does, it stops that. It also prevents extreme wear on your CVs. Now I'm going to jack the car up to show you how the strap works. There we go. You can see the tension now is on the strap. We've taken the tension and the stress out of the shock, meaning the shock's not trying to rip itself apart right now. You're not going to get the Can-Am clunk. You're also going to save the CVs. So if you're running a big tire combo and a heavier wheel combo, the limit strap is probably something you need because you're actually pulling your shock apart from the inside out. When you start adding heavier wheels, you go from a 32 to a 33 to a 34 to a 35. That's a lot of rotating mass weight, and that's at the very, very end of your shock. So all that additional weight from the OEM specs is yanking on that shock internally. And that clunk is itself pulling itself apart, bottoming out. So the limit strap kit really is saving that. I'm running a 33 on my car, but I'm on a narrower wheel, like a 6-inch, so it's really a 34-inch tire. So I'm running a limit strap kit. I also have a big sway bar, and I have a long travel kit on there as well. So I've added a little bit of weight to this car, and I drive my car really hard, and I have fun in the whoops, so whoops and tight technical driving sections. So to me, this is a must-have for me. Like I said, if you're adding big wheels and tires and you're an aggressive driver, this is something you may want to consider. Right, guys, so we talked about the Shock Therapy Limit Strap Kit, all the pros and what it does and how it eliminates the Can-Am clunk, how it saves your CVs, and how it's made. It's all billet machined aluminum, made in America. It's not new technology. Limit straps have been put on race cars in the off-road industry for decades. It's nothing new. In fact, it's a must-do in racing. And if you're like me, you drive pretty hard in your cars. And if you're like me, you've added bigger wheels and tires to your car that the OEM manufacturer never intended for. So we negatively impacted our car. We've set the offset out further, put a bigger tire on, we've added more load. It's heavier on those corners now. So we're gonna suck up the suspension. We don't need to droop it out that far. Sometimes having too much suspension is not a good thing. I've never blown an axle. I'm still on my same shocks. I haven't destroyed those. And I'm still on my original wheel bearings 2,000 miles later. And I don't drive this car easy. Like it's been driven. So hope you guys continue to follow us on YouTube and follow us on our Instagram stories and our posts. Check out the website. We've added a ton of new features to the website to make it more interactive for you on reviews and listing your car and parts that you've done. I encourage you guys to leave reviews and be part of this. A lot of this is for you guys that we've put together, and we've spent a lot of time, energy, and effort into this. So take advantage of it and be a part of it. And we'll see you guys on the next one. We'll be at Camp Razor with Shock Therapy and a couple other companies. So check us out. If you're out there, come say hi. See you later, guys.